Good morning, students. After long days, okay, right now we were discussing at the end of the chapter 8.4 the second question. I said you the first question in the previous video. This is the second question. See the second question, what it is given: ABC is a right triangle, right angled at B. So the diagram is also given for you. Okay, Nana? A, B, C, right angled at B. Let D and E be any points on AB and AC respectively. This is not mentioned for midpoints, Nana. Don't think that these are midpoints. D and E are just points on AB and BC. Okay? Asking to prove that. So, the diagram is given for you in the textbook. So, let us join this D and E. Okay, Nana? Right. So, given, tell me, ABC is a triangle, very good. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Very good, Nana, very good. Come on, tell me, what is to prove here? Yeah, AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. Is that clear? AE square, you observe here, AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. You need to prove that one. It's very simple, isn't it? Whenever you observe the square, you need to take the Pythagoras theorem. Okay? Right. So, I select the 4 triangles here. Coming to the proof, I select the 4 triangles. In triangle ABE, similarly in triangle CBD, next in triangle ABC, and in triangle DBE. In all these 4 triangles, we apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, ma? Right. Come on, tell me what is Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABE. ABE. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is the sum of the squares of other two sides, isn't it? So, AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. Observe carefully, it's very simple, Amma, very simple. AE square, AE is the hypotenuse. In the triangle ABE, you can observe the triangle. So, AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. Tell me another one. What is CBD? Yes, very good, very good. The hypotenuse is CD. So, CD square is equal to BC square plus BD square. Right, very good. Now, tell me in triangle ABC, the total triangle. In triangle ABC. Yes, very good, Nana. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now the last one, triangle DBE. See this triangle DBE. The hypotenuse is DE. Yes, very good, Nana. DE square is equal to BD square plus BE square. Now what do we want? We want AE square plus CD square, isn't it? Observe carefully. Now AE square plus CD square is equal to. So what is AE square here? Take that one and write here. AB square plus BE square. And what is CD square? Yes, very good. BC square plus BD square. Now let us make a small arrangement. I transpose these two, I interchange these two, not transposing. So you get AB square plus BC square as a team, and BD, this is BC, isn't it? BE square plus another one is, what can I take? If I have taken AB square and BC square, now BE square plus BD square. You observe AB square plus BC square. Where did you get that one? AC square. Very good, Nana. Very good. And this one, BE square plus BD square. What did you get? DE square. Okay. I take these two as 1 equation 1. So I can write here from 1. Did we complete our answer? Yes, it's clear. You're just taking the Pythagoras law. If you take the Pythagoras theorem and you arrange all the triangles and you apply the Pythagoras theorem for all the triangles, so that from the first one you take AE square plus CD square, and by rearranging the values you get the AC square plus DE square. Okay, Nana? Right. We come to the third question in this exercise. Prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle. Prove that. So they are talking about an equilateral triangle. So we are going to take an equilateral triangle here. Let A, B, C be an equilateral triangle. Okay, ma? Right, very good, very good. All sides are equal. Yes, correct, Nana. Given A, B, C is an equilateral triangle. Okay. I write AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to A. And one more thing, what is given there here, prove that 3 times the square of any side, you can take any side, is equal to the 4 times the square of altitude. Altitude means a perpendicular drawn from vertex to the opposite side. So we write AD line segment perpendicular to BC line segment is altitude. Now what to prove? Yes, to prove, tell me, 3 times square of any side, so I take AB square is equal to 4 times the altitude, square of the altitude, AD square. 3 into AB square is equal to 4 into AD square. It's very clear. Very good, Nana. We know one property about the equilateral triangles. What is the property? All sides are equal again. Very good. All angles are equal again. Any property you know about the perpendicular? What does the perpendicular makes here? Very good, very good. It will bisect the base, Nana. So coming to the proof, perpendicular in equilateral triangle bisects the base. Therefore, BD is equal to CD is equal to BC by 2, which is equal to A by 2. Now I take this triangle. It's very clear. It's very simple, isn't it? Now you completed your answer. I think so. So in triangle ADB by Pythagoras theorem, tell me what is the hypotenuse here? Very good. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AD square plus BD square. Isn't it? What is AB? AB is nothing but A. So you write here A square is equal to AD square. What is BD here? We have taken A by 2. So you write A by 2 whole square. Now you transpose this one to the right. You get A square minus A square by 4 is equal to AD square. Now you take the LCM in the denominator. 4, you get 4A square minus A square is equal to AD square. 4A square minus A square, you will get 3A square is equal to, now cross multiply 4, you get 4AD square. What is A? Nothing but AB. So you write 3AB square is equal to 4AD square, which is our proof. 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. Did you understand, Anna? Practice these 2 questions and also remaining questions. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Bye.